Pilates. I ain't never get fucked more up with the body. I was in the cut with a bitch from Tacoma.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's an exciting day. We're installing racing seats in the Mustang. Here they are. Let me unbox them real quick and show you guys what they look like. I'm hyped. And here they are. They look so fire. These are the Corbeau RRs in all white. Sheesh. I'm so hyped for these. They look so good. Oh, these are gonna be fire. All right, let's get them installed. I plugged it back in.
It's dirty. Those are teeny.
And one seat is in, looking fire. Now on to the next side. And the seats are in. That looks so fire. Sheesh. Major W. It's hella dark now, but W to match the white shift knob. Shout out Corbeau for the sponsorship, for real. This car's gonna sound crazy next week, by the way. It already sounds hella good. God damn. Alright, so it's obviously the next day now, but I'll show you guys what the seats look like in the light. They look so good. So yeah, here's the finished results with the seats. I'm loving them. I've always really liked these seats and I always really wanted them, and they did not disappoint. They matched the shift knob well. Eventually I'll get a steering wheel to match, but damn, they look so good. Carbon on the back. W seats, for real. Sheesh. Also, when you're installing them, make sure you transfer over the seat belts. I didn't do that at first and drove home without seat belts, but yeah, they look great. And yeah, guys, that's gonna be all for the video today. I hope you enjoyed. Hope you're rocking with the seats. I know I definitely am. They look so good. I'm so happy with them, and they're pretty comfy. They're sitting nice and low. I feel like a race car driver now. Oh God. But yeah, guys. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.
I'm sipping on red, damn it, I'm a leaner. She said that I'm mean, wait until I turn meaner. Pull up on the scene, 40 on me.